Hello, and welcome to another video of the 3-Minute Quaranteaching Tips series. Today you will learn how to make your Microsoft Stream videos interactive. We'll first open up Microsoft Stream from our Office 365 homepage, and I need to have a video already loaded or uploaded to Microsoft Stream. I already have a video, and I can find my videos under My Content, Videos. So here's the video, The Lone Star Republic, America acquires Texas. I'm going to go ahead and add a little short question or quiz to keep my students active in the watching of this video. And so it's around 37 seconds.
Tejas won independence from Spain.
Right there. That'll be my last question about Texas independence from Spain. So I'm going to add interactivity right up here next to transcript. And I'm going to add a form. I need a Microsoft form URL. So I need to create the form first with the questions. So I have a form here in Microsoft Forms. I'm going to have to share a link with anyone that anyone can open. So I've added first name, last name as one of the questions, so I know who took the quiz and the answers and how they answered in the quiz. 5 questions, 6 question quiz. These are all required, so they'll have to answer all of them. I'm going to click on share, and I'm going to select. Usually it's set to only people in my organization, but I am going to select anyone with the link can respond. I have found that this will work a whole lot faster and will actually show the quiz, where if I do only people in my organization, it will kind of freeze up. So I do anyone with a link, and I add the first name, last name question. All I have to do is copy the link by clicking copy. I go back to the video. I place my cursor where I want that quiz to appear. I'm going to paste the link, Command V. I'm going to title it. And I already have a title here, and I'm going to add it to the timeline. So when students get to that position, you can see where it's added the video. I'm going to go ahead and play it a little bit.
Stephen Austin arrived there in 1821, just as Mexico and Tejas won independence from Spain.
There is the question, the quiz. They'll answer that once they go ahead and click submit. They'll continue the video and watch the rest of it. I can add quizzes all along this video to make it more interactive. I can also go ahead and share, grab that embed code, copy it, and embed it into my Schoology course. And here is the video.
1821, just as Mexico and Tejas won independence from Spain.
And there is the form. If you have any questions, please be sure to contact your instructional technology specialist. This has been another 3-Minute Quaranteaching Tips video.